Hello everyone and welcome back to this week's video. At the end of last week's video, if you watched that, I did say that I was going to try and crochet this weekend, and that did not happen. I have not crocheted since the last video, and that is just because my boyfriend and I did a lot of things around our apartment. We reorganized our living room and got rid of some stuff, and we just did a lot of things together, which I thoroughly enjoyed. But with that being said, I have also spent the whole day doing tasks that needed to get done. So I haven't even started on crocheting, and it is almost time for me to go to work. So I probably won't get much done today, but I will show you if I get any done before work. But I wanted to show you the progress of where we're at on the first chair cover. So here's where we're at. We're starting with this, well, the last row that I did was this dark brown. So I'll be pulling some colors and working on it next, and I will film what I can and I'll let you guys know. So come along with this week's video. Hello everyone. So it is now a Wednesday in this week and I have come on here to give you an update. I have been working on the chair cover, but I have not made much progress because I've been working a lot, but I will show you that at the end of the video and how much progress I made. But I made a post on Facebook trying to sell some of my finished products because I do have a lot of those, and if you're ever interested in anything that I show, I most likely have it for sale, so please comment down below or go in the link in my description and you can purchase from there. But I will eventually open up a Shopify when I get more subscribers and more people interested in things, but for now I just sell them myself, so you'll see if you go into the link. But I got some custom orders and so I need to work on those, and I'm going to put the chair covers on the back burner for now, and I'll work on those when I can because I'm in no rush. I was just working on them because I didn't have anything else to work on. But I'm going to be making a custom sunflower turtle. It's going to be, the body is going to be pink and then the sunflower is going to be the shell. So I'm going to be working on that. And then this customer also ordered 2 pickles that I already had pre-made, and they also ordered another turtle that is going to be purple, so I'll be working on that next, but I will update you when I start that. I'm hoping to get this done by the end of the week and start the next one, but we shall see. Probably won't be able to get too much done, but yeah, we'll just see. So I'm going to start working on that now, and let's get started. Hello everyone. So it has come to the end of the video for this week, and I did not get as much finished as I wanted to, but I've been super busy, and so I did want to show you what I did finish tonight. And I finished the first item of my first custom order, and it is a pink sunflower turtle. She's pretty cute, and yeah, and I need to make one more turtle, which I'll work on tomorrow and hopefully finish tomorrow. And then she ordered 2 pickles, which I already had, and then I'll start on the next order. So stay tuned for that. I hope you guys have a great weekend, and I'll see you next week. Bye guys.